Hello Aquarius, this is your quick oracle reading. If you're new, please subscribe, like, and share. At natagpo itong video na to, possible para sa itong reading. Your oracle card is number 28, movement. Wait lang, huwag ka magmamadali. Because, di ba nga, minsan pag minamadali natin, mas lalong nasisira, mas lalong hindi nagiging maganda yung quality nung product or yung service na ginagawa natin. Take your time. Andoon na, give yourself the opportunity to double check. Baka meron ka na-miss, baka meron kang kailangan idagdag, or may mga part na kailangan na sumusobra ka. Polish mo to. Make sure na andoon na quality before quantity tayo. Huwag mo madaliin. Parang sa call din yan sa call center eh. Kasi pag minadali mo yung salita mo, di ganito yan, uulitin mo din yon, which will cost you more time, more effort, and more energy. So take it slow. So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. Subscribe for more and I'll see you in our next video.